The origins of life on Earth. From molecules to microorganisms, the origins of life on Earth are among the most captivating and complex scientific mysteries. From the assembly of simple molecules to the emergence of complex microorganisms, life's journey from chemical chaos to biological order is a remarkable tale. Although we may never uncover the entire story, ongoing research in chemistry, biology, and planetary science continues to provide tantalizing clues. Globe: the early Earth. A hostile environment around 4.6 billion years ago, Earth was a volatile and inhospitable world. Frequent volcanic eruptions, intense ultraviolet radiation, and meteorite bombardments defined the planet's early days. The atmosphere primarily consisted of methane, ammonia, water vapor, and carbon dioxide, lacking the oxygen that sustains most modern life. Despite the harsh conditions, Earth had the essential ingredients for life: liquid water, abundant chemicals, and energy sources such as lightning and geothermal heat, creating an ideal setting for complex chemical reactions. Wave: the primordial soup hypothesis. One of the earliest and most influential theories about life's origins is the primordial soup hypothesis. Proposed by Alexander Aperin and J.B.S. Haldane, it posits that life began in a warm, nutrient-rich body of water where simple organic molecules could form and accumulate. In 1953, Stanley Miller and Harold Urey conducted a landmark experiment to test this theory. By simulating early Earth's atmospheric conditions, they showed that amino acids, the building blocks of life, could be produced from a mixture of water, methane, ammonia, and hydrogen exposed to electrical discharges. This experiment provided crucial evidence that life's basic components could form spontaneously. DNA-RNA world hypothesis. Life's first blueprint. A critical question in the origins of life is how simple molecules transitioned into self-replicating systems. The RNA world hypothesis proposes that ribonucleic acid, RNA, was the first molecule capable of storing genetic information and catalyzing biochemical reactions. Unlike DNA, RNA is versatile. It can act as both a carrier of genetic information and a catalyst, ribozymes. Early RNA molecules may have played a pivotal role in copying themselves and facilitating the synthesis of proteins, eventually leading to more complex biological processes. Fire: the role of hydrothermal vents. Another compelling environment for life's emergence is the ocean's hydrothermal vents. These vents release hot, mineral-rich water that could have driven key chemical reactions necessary for life. The vents provide natural gradients in temperature and chemical composition, ideal conditions for molecular self-organization. Hydrogen sulfide, methane, and other chemicals could have fueled early metabolic pathways, supporting the growth of primitive life forms. Some scientists suggest that life's earliest organisms may have been chemosynthetic, thriving by converting chemical energy rather than relying on sunlight. Test tube protocells. The first simple life forms to transition from chemistry to biology, molecules needed protective structures to facilitate internal chemical reactions. Protocells, simple membrane-bound compartments, may have played a crucial role in this process. Fatty acids naturally form bilayer membranes in water, creating primitive cell-like structures. These membranes could contain and regulate chemical reactions, allowing protocells to maintain internal environments and evolve basic metabolic functions. Over time, these protocells could develop into more complex living cells. Microbe: the first microorganisms and the birth of life. The first microorganisms likely appeared between 3.5 and 4 billion years ago. Fossil evidence, including stromatolites, layered microbial formations, reveals the presence of early microbial communities. These simple, anaerobic organisms thrived in Earth's oxygen-free atmosphere, extracting energy through processes like fermentation and chemosynthesis. Eventually, some microbes evolved the ability to perform photosynthesis, releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. This event, known as the Great Oxidation Event, fundamentally transformed Earth's environment and enabled the rise of more complex life forms. Milky Way alternative theories on life's origins. While the primordial soup and hydrothermal vent theories are widely accepted, alternative hypotheses continue to be explored. Panspermia suggests that life originated elsewhere in the universe and was transported to Earth via comets or meteorites. Organic molecules discovered on space objects lend some support to this idea. Clay hypothesis, proposed by A. G. Cairns Smith, this theory argues that life may have begun on clay surfaces, which could have acted as catalysts for the formation of complex molecules. Alkaline hydrothermal vents, a variation of the hydrothermal vent theory, emphasizing the role of alkaline vents in creating favorable conditions for life. Magnifying glass. The ongoing search for origins. Scientists continue to investigate early Earth environments, conduct laboratory experiments simulating prebiotic chemistry, and study extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme conditions. Astrobiology, the search for life beyond Earth, also contributes valuable insights into the potential universality of life's building blocks. Understanding how life originated is not only a quest to reconstruct the past but also a pathway to future discoveries in biology, medicine, and space exploration. Seedling conclusion. Life's remarkable journey. The origin of life on Earth showcases nature's incredible ability to transform simple molecules into self-replicating systems capable of evolving into complex organisms. While many mysteries remain, ongoing scientific advances bring us closer to uncovering how life first emerged and whether it could exist elsewhere in the universe. This exploration not only deepens our understanding of life's beginnings but also reinforces our place within the vast cosmic landscape.